Side street speedsters spun slippery signal circuits, sliding sideways through synchronized stoplight surges. We try. Okay, let's try a bit faster. Side street speedsters spun slippery signal circuits, sliding sideways through synchronized stoplight surges. There you go. How well did you do? Let me know in the comments, won't you? I would love to hear from you. In the meantime, if you're not already subscribed, I hope you'll hit that subscribe button. And of course, join me again tomorrow for another of your favorite tongue twisters. See you then.